Okay, so in question 6, if you look at the question and analyze, you realize that it's talking about three firms, X, Y, and Z, and as well as whether the caps will be late or not from each firm. So therefore, in order to work out and solve the question for question 6, a useful tool would be to draw a tree diagram, since it is talking about whether the cap will be late or not late from each of the three firms. So therefore, we can sketch a tree diagram, although the question didn't ask for it. So let's define the events. L as the cap is late and L prime as the cap is not late. So based on the given information in the question, we know that 40% of the caps are from firm X. So therefore, the probability that a cap is from firm X will be 0.4. Probability that it is from firm Y will be 0.5, and probability that it's from firm Z will be 0.1. So next, you are told that for the caps hired from X, 9% arrive late. So therefore, 0.09 for the cap to be late, given that it is from firm X. So therefore, probability that the cap is not late, if it is from firm X, will be 1 minus 0.09, which is 0.91. So likewise, it says that for the cap hired from firm Y, 6% will arrive late. So therefore, 0.06. And the other one will be 0.94. And for the cap from firm Z, 20% will arrive late, so 0.2. All right, then probability that if the cap will not arrive late, if it's from firm Z, will be 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. Okay, so now that we have sketched this tree diagram, we are ready to answer part 1. To use it to help us to work out part 1. Calculate probability that the next cap hired will be from X and will, so it will be from X, and means intersection, will not arrive late. So that means and will not arrive late. So that means will not be late. All right. So it's probability X intersect L prime that is from X and will not be late. Okay, so this is what I've just highlighted. X intersect L prime. So it's 0.4 times 0.91. So you can see with a tree diagram, it can help us to work out quite easily. Part 2, calculate probability that next cap hired will arrive late. Okay, so if the cap will arrive late, there are three possible scenarios. It is from X and arrive late, it is from Y and arrive late, and the cap is from Z and arrive late. All right, that's what I've just highlighted. So we need to consider all the three cases. So probability the cap will arrive late if it's from X and arrive late. If it's from Y and arrive late. And if it's from firm Z and arrive late. Okay, so press your calculator. Once again, I cannot emphasize enough the usefulness of the tree diagram in this kind of question for you to help you to work out the values in order to solve the question.